Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Charge 4 and I'm going to show you how you can charge your smartphone by using this speaker. So at the first, let's rotate the speaker like that, open this cover, grab the cable. We need the USB-A cable to plug right here. And right now it depends on what kind of the input you have on your phone. In my case, I have the USB-C, as you can see right here. So I have to find the cable with the second end with the USB-C, plug it right here, and take a look on the battery level. It's 9% right now, but after a few seconds it will change. Of course, we have to power on the speaker. I just forgot about that. So click on the power button, and as you can see right now, the phone is charging. Just take a look on the right bottom corner. So yeah, that's how you can charge your phone or any other device with the JBL Charge 4 by using USB-C or micro USB cable. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.